Hi all, my name is Arun, a physical therapist in Ayush Prana, specialized in neuro rehabilitation. Today, I would like to share a positive story of a MS individual from Texas, USA. His name is Tori Fuller. Tori ambulated into Ayush Prana by walker support. After 1 month of physical therapy rehabilitation, the patient showing a significant changes in his physical conditions. Tori suffering from many motor associated problems include muscle weakness, fatigue and poor coordination and balance. After physical assessment, we plan a therapeutic exercise program for strengthening muscles and flexibility. Now Tori can able to walk without support. He is more happy and motivated. So I suggest Ayush Prana for all who suffering from MS. Thank you.